Hello everyone! Today in this video, I will teach you guys how to change your Twitter or X username. As you know, Twitter keeps updating their app, and along with that, the location of settings also changes, so I am here to help you. Just follow my steps. First, you need to open your Twitter app from your iOS or Android, and you will get to see this interface now. From the top left, you will see your logo, tap there, and a side menu will pop up. Then, tap Settings and Support, and again, Settings and Privacy, and then you will see this interface from here. Just tap on your account here. You can change the settings of your account now from here. Tap on Account Information, and this is the place where you can change your username now. Tap on the username option, and as you can see, there is an empty slot where you can change your username. Now type the username. Make sure there is a green tick on the side. If that doesn't appear, that means your username is already taken. Just type a different username. When everything is set, tap on the Done button from the top right. That's how you change your username on your Twitter account. Thanks for watching, and if this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel.